If I started an AI business today, I would ignore most trends. I would focus on what people actually pay for. Because AI is not the product. The product is the outcome. So what outcome would I sell first? What problem is urgent right now? What boring business task costs real money? And why are most AI startups solving nothing? The opportunity is hidden in plain sight. Most people are overwhelmed, not impressed. They want speed, simplicity, and results. So I would build something small, fast, and useful. Not a giant platform. Not a complicated app. Just one clear solution. Stay with me, because the last step is the real advantage. And it's not about coding. It's about positioning. First, I would pick a customer with cash flow. Local businesses. Online stores. Agencies. Consultants. Companies already spending on marketing. Because they understand ROI. Then I would choose one painful workflow. Customer support replies. Lead follow-ups. Content production. Proposal writing. Appointment scheduling. Internal training documents. Next, I would ask one question. Where is time being wasted every day? That is where AI fits best. Then I would avoid building from scratch. I would use existing AI tools immediately. For example, ChatGPT for idea testing. Claude for long-form business writing. Perplexity for fast research. I would move in hours, not weeks. Then I would validate with real conversations. Not surveys. Not Twitter polls. Actual business owners. I would ask what they hate doing weekly. I would listen for repeated complaints. That becomes the offer. Then I would create a simple AI service. Not software at first. A service is faster to sell. I would package it as a done-for-you system. For example, an AI-powered email responder. Or an AI content engine for realtors. Or an AI onboarding assistant for gyms. Then I would price it like a business tool. Not like a cheap subscription. Businesses pay for saved labor. So I would charge based on value. Maybe $500 monthly. Maybe $2,000 setup. The key is measurable impact. Then I would build a backend with no code. I would use Zapier for automation. Make for workflows. Airtable for lightweight databases. And Notion for client dashboards. Then I would connect AI through OpenAI's API. Or use LangChain for chaining tasks. I would keep it simple. One input. One output. One clear business result. Then I would create a repeatable process. Every client gets the same framework. Only the data changes. That is how you scale. Next, I would focus on distribution early. Because the best AI product without customers is useless. So I would pick one channel. Cold email. LinkedIn outreach. YouTube content. Local networking. I would not spread everywhere. One channel, mastered. Then I would craft a direct offer. Not AI consulting, something specific. Like, we cut your support workload by 40%, that gets attention. Then I would create proof fast. One pilot client. One case study. One before and after metric. That is marketing fuel. Then I would document everything. Every prompt. Every automation. Every workflow step. So delivery becomes predictable. Then I would productize the service. Turn it into a monthly system. Clients want ongoing help, not one-time projects. Recurring revenue is stability. Then I would build a simple landing page. Using Webflow or Card. Clear headline. One outcome. One call to action. No buzzwords. Then I would add a booking link. Using Calendly. Make it frictionless. Then I would record a short demo. Using Loom. People buy clarity, not complexity. Then I would build a small client pipeline. 5 clients is enough to start. Then 10. Then systems. Then hiring. Not millions of users. Just profitable operations. Now, here is the part most miss. AI changes fast. So I would not sell AI. I would sell a business function. Support. Sales. Content. Operations. AI is just the engine underneath. Then I would create defensibility through data. Clients' internal knowledge. Custom workflows. Industry-specific prompts. That is harder to copy. Then I would specialize deeper. One niche beats general AI services. Dental offices. HVAC companies. Law firms. E-commerce brands. Specialization increases pricing power. Then I would build templates. Reusable automation blocks. Prompt libraries. Client onboarding scripts. That becomes your internal advantage. Midway reminder, if this is useful, subscribe and turn on notifications. Because these strategies change weekly. Next, I would focus on compliance. Privacy matters in the US market. I would avoid sensitive data misuse. I would use secure tools. And clear client agreements. Then I would create upsells. AI reporting dashboards. Ad creative generation. Lead qualification bots. Training assistance. Each client can expand over time. Then I would invest in content. Short videos explaining outcomes. Not technical AI jargon. Business owners want simple benefits. Then I would build authority quietly. Consistent insights. Real examples. No hype. Then I would reinvest profits into better systems. Better automations. Better onboarding. Better retention. Because churn kills service businesses. Then I would gradually move toward software. Only after demand is proven. Service first. Software second. That is the safest path today. Then I would watch one major trend. AI agents doing multi-step tasks. Tools like AutoGPT and Crew AI. But I would apply them carefully. Only where reliability is high. Businesses need consistency. Then I would build a small team. One operator. One salesperson. One technical builder. Lean and focused. Then I would keep learning weekly. New models. New automation tools. New market gaps. The winners are the ones who adapt calmly. So if I started today, I would do this. Pick one paying niche. Solve one painful workflow. Sell a service first. Automate delivery. Productize. Scale through systems. And stay close to customer reality. AI is not magic. It is leverage. And leverage belongs to builders who execute. Next week, AI businesses will look different again. So staying ahead is the real edge. Subscribe, hit the bell, and don't miss the next weekly breakdown. The next upload might be the one you apply first. The tools links are given in the description.